Enabling crossplay for ARC, PS4 and PC edition.
Hey there, fellow ARC enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore how to enable crossplay between PS4 and PC for your ARC server. This way, you and your friends can seamlessly enjoy the game, regardless of the platform you're on.
What is crossplay?
In case you're new to this, crossplay or cross-platform play refers to the ability of a video game to allow players using different gaming platforms to play with each other simultaneously. This means that players on PC can play ARC with those on PS4, and vice versa, if we enable crossplay.
Is crossplay supported in ARC?
ARC Survival Evolved does support crossplay, but only between Xbox and Windows Store versions of the game due to them being part of the Play Anywhere program. Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, crossplay between PS4 and PC through Steam or the Epic Game Store is not supported by default.
Can we bypass this limitation?
There are third-party solutions and unofficial servers that claim to enable crossplay between PS4 and PC, but these options are generally not endorsed by the game developers and could violate terms of service. It's important to proceed with caution, bearing in mind that these solutions might have stability issues, and they may potentially expose you to risks such as account suspension or even banning.
Any official news on this?
As of now, the official stance from Studio Wildcard, the developer of ARC, is that PS4 crossplay is out of their hands and depends on decisions made by Sony. If there's an official update to include this feature in the future, it will likely be announced on the official ARC Survival Evolved website or their social media channels. Although we can't officially enable crossplay between PS4 and PC in ARC as of my last update, we'll keep our fingers crossed that the situation changes soon. Until then, enjoy your ARC experience on your preferred platform, and remember to stay tuned for official updates. We hope this video has been informative. Happy gaming! Please note that this information is up to date as of my training data, which goes up to September 2021. Always check the official ARC Survival Evolved website or forums for the most recent updates.